Come on in. I'm going to show you how to use a Spincare brush. The particular one that I'm testing out today is by Duvolle brands, but if you have your Clarisonic, it's very comparable. There's a lot of other similar brands that are knockoffs of the Clarisonic, but much more affordable. Like this one that I got, this is the Radiant Skincare System by Duvolle brands. It comes with 4 different interchangeable parts. And you know, you really want to be careful because these Spincare brushes can be really bad for your skin. So I'm going to open this up. This requires batteries, and I'm just going to demonstrate how to use this. Do I use this every day? Well, this was clearly a demonstration video. I'm opening it up for the first time. But no, I don't use spin brushes every day because I used to use the Clarisonic every day, but it was just very irritating for my skin. So now that I have this, I'm realistically going to use it once a month on my face, just for a really good exfoliation prior to applying a mask. But I like the body option brush, and I am going to use this more often than once a month because you can bring this in the shower, and then this can exfoliate. My arms get really dry, my legs, and even my booty. This is good to get the circulation going on the booty to prevent cellulite. This isn't going to turn on because it requires batteries, so you pull off the bottom, figure it out. There we go, just pulled off. Looks like it requires 4 AA batteries. Good thing I'm prepared. You don't charge it, you just put the batteries in. I don't know how long it will last, depends on the batteries. Plus, minus, minus, plus, negative, positive. All right, I don't dare care to read these, but you can read these on your own time. Anyways, comes with 4 heads. Which ones am I gonna use? One is exfoliating and one is, looks like the cleansing one's more. It looks like this cleansing one is more for sensitive skin. The bristles are a little softer, whereas this has a lot more bristles, and it looks like this is a lot more intense. So I am just going to be using the cleansing head. You know, I really recommend you guys be careful with these brushes. And when you turn it on, oh, it feels very soft. Hey, that feels very soft. But you want to let the brush do a lot of the work. So when you turn it on, you'll see it goes in circular motions, and hold it on your face. And you can go in circular motions with it, but you want to give the lightest amount of pressure, the lightest touch. You don't want to dig this into your skin and irritate your skin and tug your skin any more than you need to. I mentioned I used to use the Clarisonic every day, but it just was really irritating my skin, and it was over exfoliating. So that's the thing to be careful with these brushes. You can over exfoliate. This brush head feels very soft, and yes, I realize I should probably wash this before I use it, but you can just use your cleanser, baby shampoo. That's what I used to use to cleanse it because you want to disinfect it. So I'm going to go wet my face, and then I'm going to apply my cleanser onto here and demonstrate how to work it. I also wet the brush, washed it off a little. Now you can either apply your cleanser all over your face. I'm just going to directly apply my cleanser to the brush. Just 1 pump is fine. And then turn it on. There's only 1 setting, so turn it on. I'm gonna go for about a minute though. I started on my cheeks, going in circular motions. Ooh, spraying. I'm first gonna just gently kind of distribute this evenly all over my face. Yeah, the more I'm doing this, I can feel it's kind of a little rough, so I definitely think this is a little too much for my sensitive skin every day. I don't know if this has a timer, but the general rule of thumb is, at least for the Clarisonic, you're supposed to start on your forehead, 20 seconds on your forehead. So you can see I'm just going in soft little circular motions all over my forehead, and then move down 20 seconds on your T-zone, so by your nose, sides of your nose, around your mouth, and your chin. I always do this because you get a lot of buildup in this area leading up to your lips, and around your mouth you get a lot of buildup there. And then I bring it on my jawline, and then 20 seconds each cheek. And you want to avoid your eye area. The eye area is just, it's very thin, it's very delicate. You don't need to be applying this on your eye area and tugging on your eye area any more than you need to be. So it seems like there's no specific timer on this, so I'm just going to turn it off on my own. Now I'm going to rinse my face with water and wash this off. you take the brush head off and then wash it that way. And then follow with your favorite products. While I'm applying my following skincare, I'm just gonna talk to you for a minute about a couple more notes. I have a bar of black African soap, which is a great brush cleaner. So every night, I mean, it's gentle enough to use every night. So follow with your regular serums and moisturizers that you use. I'm testing out the Skinmedica, very expensive TNS Serum. Yeah, I feel like just off the bat, I feel like my face, that definitely was very exfoliating and abrasive for my face. So that was enough. I think it's too much for me to use every night. I think once a month, it's okay for a deep exfoliation. You just really want to be careful with these skincare brushes. I know some of your skin can handle it every night. That's great. Mine can't. I already feel like it's just irritated. And it's daytime that I'm testing this out, but nighttime especially, you want to be careful because I tend to wear makeup during the day and I like to double cleanse. So first I would use my oil makeup remover to remove all my makeup. And then I would go in with the skincare brush, just like I showed you, apply your cleanser on there and then go around once your makeup is removed. And then you can go in with the exfoliation brush. Now the daytime I'm following with my moisturizer and my SPF. But so this head easily detaches. What I was saying is you can cleanse this with black African soap. I just have my bar of soap and then I move this. Wet the soap, wet this, and then create a little lather, and that will get all the makeup off, because you'll find if you're using this at night after you use your makeup remover, you're still gonna have some debris on your cleanser. At least I do, but maybe you don't. But if you do, then use just a bar of soap, preferably black African soap. It's very gentle and it's not drying. It doesn't have fragrance like some bars of soap can have. So that's just something to keep in mind. You know, you want to make sure your brush head is very sanitized, because bacteria can grow on that, especially if you have makeup buildup. You know, when you're using that on your face, it's cleansing your face of any dead skin buildup or dryness or whatever you got going on. So it's very important, I think, after every use to just cleanse the brush head. Then you can just wipe it and then just leave it to dry on your countertop. Oh my goodness, I got a pacifier right there. You can just wet this off, but that demonstrates how you use this brush. So let me know if you have any questions about it. Again, my biggest takeaway that I want you to get from this video is be careful with these brushes on your face. I don't think you need to use them every day. If that is the routine you have, then you know what works best for you. But these brushes can be very abrasive, so just apply the lightest pressure onto your face so you're not overstimulating and irritating your skin barrier any more than you need to be. Well, I think I covered everything, but let me know if you have any questions. I will see you later. Bye.